Hey everybody, Sive Morten is here with the ForexPeaceArmy.com and as usual daily update on the Forex market, particularly on euro currency. Well guys, to be honest, I'm not sure that we should take any trades because I still think that risks of the meeting that should happen in Alaska are significantly high. And its problems that the results of this meeting we will know only in the weekend, at least for those of us who live in Europe. So for United States, it will be Friday evening, but for us, it will be already the Saturday morning. So markets will be closed and you will not able to do anything with your positions if you take it. Still, since we're discussing the technical background, let's see what we have. Yesterday, we talked about the possible reaction forming of the hand shoulders patterns here, and we said that currently there are two possible ways. First, we could get either hand shoulders on an hourly chart, which is triggered the forming of the right arm here, or we still get a bit more extension first. This market will try to complete the trend line precisely where it stands, at 1750 approximately, and it might be the three drive pattern. And we said that 1650 level is the one that we have to keep an eye on, because this is the key for understanding what is going on. All the stuff that we have said now has been confirmed. So if you take a look at the fall time frame chart, market precisely is turning around 1650. So we do not see a straightforward downward continuation back to the 116. It means that the chances on appearing of the free drive here exist, and it's actually not bad. The target of this action will be 1760 approximately, where a combination of the extensions 127 from the second drive and 1618 from the first drive. This is classical, typical target for the free drive pattern. So the only question actually stands around the fundamental background, political background. So you have to think by yourself and make the decision whether you like to, in general, trade with this background or better to stay aside. Speaking about free drive, yes, there are some risk factors exist. So this divergence, it's the same divergence, so that this market theoretically could keep going lower. But here's, well, the big advantage, I suppose, also we have, because dealing with this pattern is very simple for now. We have to focus just on the most recent upward action that we have, because this is the key whether this pattern will work or not. So if by some reason the market will just drop below it, it means that free drive will not work. So that will be invalidation point. If it will keep going higher, it's great, so it is working. So it's very simple to deal with it. As correspondingly, you just need to keep an eye on this most recent upward action. And if you would like to take position with it, keep an eye on the possible retracements here. So for nearest one, based at least this top, we have the 1660 area. Next is 1650, so 10 pips difference. So probably, I suppose that makes no big sense to consider very deep retracements. So you could watch for this level or take some compromise with the 50% that your currency likes. It's around 1650, 1655. So if retracement will start, and then just place stop below these lows and see what will happen. So if you would like to take the deal with this pattern, it is from one point of view, the risk of the failure of this pattern is relatively high, but at the same time, cash risk for dealing with this position is very low, because if you take position on the retracement, us will be approximately 25-30 pips of the possible risk for this trade, with a great potential around 1760. So it's almost 100 pips to the upside. From that point of view, this is, well, seems attractive. And second question that you have to decide for yourself whether you would like to deal with the market at all in the current situation. That's probably all for now. See you next time.